We work very hard to satisfy everyone, and our business thrives on the happiness of others. So when someone writes to tell us we did a great job, we love to show our appreciation by sharing their review. Our staff was really excited to hear about the great job we've done. We strive to provide the best service around, and we pride ourselves in the highest quality. It's our guarantee. We take pride in our 5-star service rating. We're very loyal to everyone we serve, and in return, we receive incredible loyalty. Experience our service and you'll be amazed. We appreciate you stopping by and watching our video. We're happy to answer any questions you might have. We're happy to help you anytime.